Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I was looking through my good friend Yukov's lock collection, as I often do, and I saw this ABUS Titalium 64 Ti 50, and I thought, do you know what? This little keyless lock has never had any love on my channel. I don't think I picked this particular model before. I think these are like a 5-pin ABUS, got a Gemstar pick, and yeah, no key, so I can't really see what's going on, but just picked pin 4 there. 3's binding, I think. 3. Going back through, double click on 2, don't think there's anything on 1, 3's binding again. Go back through, it needs a lot of tension, this lock, it's very odd to pick. I think on 1, 1's binding, how far? Oh, all the way up. Okay, 2 gave me a lot better click there. 4, and we are open. Don't like the way this one picks. It feels very interesting and slightly worn on the inside. It could be the fact that you've got these, could be, I can't remember what's in these. I think there's actually aluminium pins on a steel plug, or maybe it's a brass plug coated in some kind of like nickel plating, but either way it's something of mushy is a good word, isn't it? A mushy lock, but nevertheless it's now an open mushy lock. So there we go, little ABUS 64 Ti 50. If you like that, then please leave a like. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button, it really helps me out. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can, and of course stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.